priority boarding pero pinakahuli dahil
Napaka-fail.
Mahal ng priority boarding.
Napaka-fail.
Priority boarding.
Kaya
Hello everyone and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where unique moments happen with you. This is flight 5J18 bound for Dubai. Again, for this flight must be kept in the seat pocket in front of you or your pocket. If you notice any signs of overheating, smoke, or fire,
1,000 years later.
Sumuko. Bili-bili pa tayo ng snack sa ano.
yeah, boy.
Bibigay ko rin pala kayo.
Noodles. Budget ano tayo? Yung isa tulog na. Yung isa tulog. Yung isa tahimik lang. O, kain ng kain. Mukbang. Walang ayan, no? Nasa ice skating rink. After 9 hours.
Uy, ano mo na lang kaya kayo?
Survive with noodles.
Timawad sa tabi ng
With the bak choy and beef noodles.
Tinanong ka kung anong gusto mo, seafood o beef.
Wala.
Wala. Seafood or beef, walang ganun. Tulog lang. Super budget.
Kano? 120?
First 3 hours, saka 3 meals ni Serena.
Oh, gago.
Yung tubig 70.
Pa-take off pa lang. Pakabubos na yung combos.
Bubos na yung budget ko.
Hindi pa nag-take off. Nagbubos na siya ng combos. Ano gusto mo?
Kailangan ko yung mag-cup noodles.
Nakatulog na si Mia, kumakain pa rin tayo.
Kaya nasa list, hindi ba kaya yung okay lang ako matalo?
We are here now at Dubai. So, kapag first time mo pumunta dito, you have a free SIM card which includes free 10 gigabytes for 24 hours. We are now here in our private transfer going in the hotel. Yay! So there you go. Yep. This is our service. Let's go. Let's go. Di pala ako room tour! Oh, ganyan na lang.
Parehas lang naman.
Kaya, hindi nga ako nag-ganon eh.
Hindi pala ako
So, this is the view.
Hindi pala ako room. Ang gulat.
Dito po kami sa Gold District. So, all golds. Ang gusto namin pagkain, pero puro kami gold.
Habibi, come to Dubai. say that money cannot buy happiness? Habibi, come to Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai.
Inside the Dubai Mall, but there is a
Dubai Aquarium. Free lang.
aquarium. Hello, Dubai. Good morning. Day 2 here in Dubai.
Honey, what to bring?
Wait lang, pakita ko lang tong
Issue,
view.
baka matay.
So this is our view. And then our room. Hindi ko pala napakita kahapon. Sobrang pagod na. Ang daming ginawa. Pagkadating agad, karga na sa Dubai Mall. So ang dami, ang gulo. Pero this is our hotel. So, there. May ref naman siya. Pero walang slippers. Nagdala kami ng slippers. Yon. And dala rin ako ng blower. Pero hindi ko alam kung may blower dito. But overall, it's nice. So, yep. That's it. Now we're going to the Dubai Frame. The Palace Old Town something. And I forgot. Yeah, so tatlo, and then we're going to meet Maynard's friend, and then I don't know kung saan kami pupunta. Then let's go!
I also don't know.
Pagod, walang tulog.
Mabuhay.
Hello!
Ano ba talaga to?
Ay, hindi. Bukod pa
Ay, ito na lang gamitin mo. Oh.
Day 2. Ay, eto na yung sasakyan namin.
Oh,
Let's
Ito
go!
na yung sasakyan namin.
Lexus for a taxi.
Lexus, yes. Let's go. We're going to the palace downtown. So, there. Bye! We are going to where?
The Frame.
Palace. Palace.
Ulitin na.
Old Town.
Ulitin mo.
Okay na yun. And then after that, the Dubai Frame. And then after that,
Ang ganda nito.
the Museum of the Future. Pero hindi kami papasok doon since we're not fan of the museum.
And it's expensive.
And it's expensive. Like 2.7, 2.3, mga ganun.
Hindi, lagpas. Lagpas.
Oh, mga ganun.
Saan yung reference?
Basta pumunta na lang kayo sa Klook. Tapos tignan nyo na lang dun. Mahal siya. Pero maganda naman. Yung iba pinuntahan. Yung iba hindi. Kami yun. So, yeah. Ito na yung city. Now here at the Old Palace. Old Palace ba? Anong tawag dito? Palace Downtown. I stand by. Correct. Ayan siya. And then the bridge. And then bridge.
Saka, Mami? Where are you?
Here's the Arabo na ayaw umitim.
Arabo love bubu.
Yes, we're going inside the park.
Sorry naman, hindi naman.
Yeah, K3 daw. Sobrang init. You need to bring your umbrella, sunscreen, and amazing Jisoo Life. Jisoo Life, baka naman. Diba?
Habibi, come to Dubai.
We are here now at the...
Wala?
Takot sa init.
Sabi ko na sa
Mas mga takot sa init. Nandito kami sa Saturn. Nasa yung Earth. Nasa Egypt. We're going to Dubai Frame and we're going inside to see the old and new Dubai.
May ganon.
Check it out. We're here in the...
We are here, live, reporting live from the Dubai Frame.
In Arabian Nights. The pillow.
Habibi, come to Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai.
Bili kayo? Magbilhan?
Ikaw din, Kap?
Hindi. Makikiano lang kay Reyna.
So cute.
Ito yung flavors. Pistachio.
Wait lang, alam mo yung ice cream?
Ice cream.
Oo, meron parang ice cream.
Pero parang sarap na strawberry.
Reyna, yan na. Malapit ka sa Camel.
Saan pwede ng kami? Pwede yung mga tulong.
Oh, we're crossing the... Anong tawag ito? Footbridge. Footbridge. Grabe yung lawak ng ano. Kalsada nila. Meron to oh. Sure to.
Masarap yun. Wait lang ha, ano yun ko?
Sa luto din eh.
Si picture.
Wait lang ha. Sige na tayo.
Dito pala yung
Nakita ko dun sa ano nyo, sa itinerary nyo, Jumeirah Beach Hotel. Bali, pupunta kayo doon? Or paano ba?
Hindi, Jumeirah.
So after we eat our lunch, we go here at the beach. Jumeirah something. So yes, ang init. So please bring your umbrella. Kung hindi, mag-walk. Ito na naman siya. Madinat, Jumeirah.
Sok mainit.
Zouk mainit. To ride the tram.
Ano yan?
We are now going to Museum of the Future.
Kaya ganito itsura.
So this is the tunnel.
It looks futuristic. Futuristic.
There's lots of robots inside. Museum of
Robots talaga?
Future.
Future. Sige lang. Ano pa?
That's it.
What else?
Let's go. It's there.
Oh, sige.
Pass it. Hello guys, we're here at the Museum of the Future. Here at my background. You see? It's so nice, right?
Yung ginagawa ng hardware base, pinapabayaran na yung
We're now going home. But, yeah, that's my cousin. So, uwi na kami. And this is the end of day 2 here in Dubai. Bye! Hello, day 3 in Dubai. Oh, diba? Ang tamad niya. Time check. It's already 6:35. So, we decided na mas early kami today because super init talaga kahapon. Pero malamig pa daw yun. Kasi nga since October, medyo late na. Lumamig pa daw yun. Pero sobrang init pa din. So, we decided para pagdating ng mga peak hours of hotness, pag peak na siya ng mainit, doon na kami sa loob ng mga mall or outlet, I don't know. So, at least yung mga medyo nasa labas, magawa na namin this morning. So, yeah. Mag-makeup lang me. So, this is my makeup. And our bed na magulo. And me, mas maga ako gumigising kasi ito ay batugan. So, yep. Let's go! Hi, everybody! So, we're here now.
Hello, my friend.
Going to the Habibi.
And the Labubu.
So we're going to the metro. Going to where?
Jumeirah.
Jumeirah. Jumeirah.
Jumebax.
So let's go. Good morning. So it's 7:30. The call time is 7, but we're here now. 7:30.
The call time is 7, so we just called.
8 o'clock talaga yun. So this is early.
Okay, fine. Okay, bye.
So wala nang budget. Mag-try na kami.
Wala nang taxi.
Wala nang internet yung
Tren na lang. Bye.
Oy, pasok ka dun. Liko. Ano ba?
Naks, ang peaceful. Dapat ganyan lang kayo lagi.
7 of 7.
Oh, diba? Peaceful pa, oh.
Wala pa akong tripod na nilalabas. Yung tripod yun sa kaka-preview.
Pag-review na, yun na yun.
Ayan. Pero lagi ako yung nasisisi. Ito naman yung ang daming
Laging
shots. Wala namang
nasisisi.
sale.
Ikaw ang laging may kasalanan.
Short, pang last short.
We're SM Ora.
May nagpasok na.
Asa na tayo? I mean, yung dito yung iniiman.
All we need is one night in Dubai. One night in Dubai.
The internal palm shape stretches 3.9 kilometers east to west and 4 kilometers north to south. The break wall runs 11 kilometers and protects the inner elements of the man-made island. 1,500 villas, 2,500 apartments, with over 78,000 people who live on the palm. Over 1 million tourists and residents visit the Palm each year. The Palm is home to 27 hotels, including within Metropolis, and a global tourist destination.
One night in Dubai. All we need
talaga tayo nakaligtas sa init.
Bakit tayo? Sakit sa tenga.
Sakit sa tenga, di ba?
Galing na.
We're going!
Galing talaga. Hello, so this is the view deck.
Nang?
Ng
Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah.
yung man-made.
We will see here. No.
So,
Ito, ang ganda nga eh. Ayan, oh. Ganda, oh. Doon ka. Doon ka. Ano yun nasa dulo? Hindi, yun o, yun yung nasa dulo. Ano yun? Anong
I
hotel
don't know,
yun?
di ko alam.
Atlantis.
You and I don't say goodbye. All we need is one night in Dubai. Close your eyes and in the light.
This is our lunch for today. Dinisay po. Chinese naman tayo. Ito, Chinese. Nasaan na yung Chinese? Na Arabo. Kita mo yung balbas mo. Yan. So, let's eat! Itadakimasu!
Sobrang sarap niyo. So, bumalik, binalikan ko pa.
Ano na naman yan, Daddy? Ayan, bumili naman siya ng Pokemon.
Total po 850.
Galing-galing. Si Habibi. Mga Pokemon niya, kinuha niya na lahat.
Ayaw na mo.
Ano, may comment na naman. So, we are now going to the... Where are we
There.
going? Where are we going?
The Lost Continent.
Atlantis. So, we're going to ride the tram. And there, and there, and there. Yan. Kluk-kluk lang yan.
One night in Dubai.
So, this is the Atlantis. Ito yung loob ng Atlantis. May aquarium pa. And this is the top view.
Meron yan sa cloak. Tinakaw magkano?
Maganda yan.
So, ayan siya. This is the aquarium.
Okay lang.
And this is the way.
Madrigal.
Hindi.
Kasi yan po eh.
Pakainit. Galing-galing.
Diba? Tirik na tirik. This is the beach. This is all man-made.
I'm on the floor.
One night in Dubai.
Uy, ang ganda naman. May paganon pa.
Una pa. Let's try. Ito yung viral ng mga pistachio.
So, pistachio and kunafa. Ano to?
Pistachio.
Gelato divino. How was it?
It's yummy. The viral pistachio.
Gelato divino. Kunafa and pistachio.
Yummy. In my tummy. Jollibee.
Jollibee, nakaka-proud.
Jollibee. This is Jollibee in Dubai. So there's chicken. Show the chicken.
Yeah, it's the chicken.
And this is the spaghetti.
It's not quick melt.
It's not. It's not shredded properly. And the fries. So let's.
How about this?
And the yellow ng Dubai.
And this? Iba yan.
Ice cream.
It's the tita ng Dubai.
Tapos mag-healthy, mag-coco.
Yes. Okay, let's do this.
Ano yun? Ayaw nga dito.
Jollibee.
Ayaw na po. Ayaw na to. Kasi nag-healthy siya.
No, later.
Nag-video ka na?
Yeah.
Ako na po. Cook me rin. Oh, may plate. Ano ito plate? Ano nagawa mo? May plate.
May plate lang. Yummy!
One night in Dubai.
And we're back. It's already 8 o'clock p.m. Ang daming nangyari. So we go to the mall. After namin mag-mall, pumunta kami dun sa fountain. After that hindi pala fountain. The waterfall. Yung iconic na may parang tumatalon na waterfall. And then the aquarium. And then we shop. Hindi ko na nakunan yun because we are so tired. But then we're back. And finally, we're going to sleep. So that's the end of our day 3. So tomorrow is day 4. We need some good rest and it's super hot, super duper hot. So we need to recharge again. Okay, bye.
Ferrari made a major